Hello there and welcome to the 37th episode of the Daily Shed. And today I'm talking about double picking. This is a nice exercise, really focused on the right hand, and this is good if you're playing fingerstyle or if you're doing pick style. Either way, it will help. And a couple things I like about it. One is just it messes up the your regular pattern when you're doing scales, so it's a nice challenge for skipping between strings cleanly, and also it's just a nice technique to have on hand, especially in solos. It's a really nice thing to be able to double pick a passage, two notes or two picks, two rhythmic strums for each note. So the basic technique, I'll do it first pick style and then finger style. Of course, with me, I'm pinching my index finger as a pick. So just doing it in the key of A major. You can do any scale pattern you like. I just did the 2-octave regular one, or you can do the 2-note per scale one. Either one is great, or any other combination you want to do, 3 notes per string, 4 notes per string. Any combination of that is great. Or if you're doing fingerstyle, I usually just use I think most people use their index and middle fingers. And the important thing is to keep it as clean as you can. Just make sure each note has the same volume and there's clarity between it, especially when you're skipping strings. And it is tough because it's a very different thing from playing just 1 note per string. You just got a bit more. You have twice the motion in your right hand, and balancing that motion with clarity is a nice challenge. Just picking it like that, you have so much more motion in your right hand to sort of account for and do clarity in. And then just any melody you can think of. It's a great exercise to do. And a nice thing just to have on hand. Again, when you're soloing, it's a great thing to be able to double pick through it. Pat Metheny does a lot of this, a lot of other jazz players especially, but also metal players and other rock players also use this technique. So have fun with it. I think it's a great way to kind of double the value of any scale exercises that you're doing. And any questions or comments, let me know. All right, as always, thank you so much for watching.